I am Teresa O'Leary. I'm a personal health informatics PhD student at Northeastern University. Today, I'll be presenting our work examining the intersections of race, religion, and community technologies, a Photovoice study. Historically, Black churches have been integral in addressing race-based health inequities, although little work has examined to what extent technology can support such efforts. Addressing this gap, we engaged two churches, churches A and B, in a 4-year research project. Our long-term project goal is to design an mHealth intervention with church members to address health disparities in their communities. Over the course of the first year, church members joined us for numerous design activities. Today, I'll focus on Photovoice. We examined these intersections as we explored how technology can promote well-being in churches with historically Black memberships. Our findings help to answer these questions. Today, we'll focus on how can we characterize the intricacies of racial identity in community organizations, and how can we design for multicultural communities? Our work provides a case study of how HCI can use an assets-based approach to study race in a community context. We acknowledge that systems of power reinforce racial inequity in the research process by not engaging BIPOC participants as equal partners. In an attempt to disrupt this power imbalance, we used a photo elicitation technique called Photovoice. Photovoice is a flexible, participant-led methodology where participants use camera to explore matters of personal relevance. First, we facilitated an affinity diagram activity where participants explored the intersections of race, religion, health, and technology as it relates to their church community. And next, members took 1 to 2 photos based off of the clusters they created. And in a follow-up focus group, they returned to view these photos. Participants ended in group dialogue where they discussed how the concept of race should impact technology design in each of their church communities. We analyzed photos, worksheets, and interviews using grounded theory. Traditional models used to understand Black religious participation have focused on a limited set of characteristics. Instead, using an assets-based approach, church members dispelled monolithic perceptions of the Black church. To demonstrate how distinctions between these organizations drive the need for more nuanced technology designs, I'll present the following findings, comparing church missions and exploring adaptations to change. We found that each church's mission suggested unique directions for design. First, much of Church A's mission focuses on nurturing the spiritual growth of their congregation by engaging members in fellowship activities. This mission is exemplified by photos participants selected, highlighting the need for designing technology to connect church members around spiritual matters. Whereas Church B's mission and members described a commitment to societal issues. This photo is one of many ministries that address social inequities. As a result, Church B's members were interested in using technology to support social justice activities. Both communities continually adapt to change, which in turn impacts their feelings about technology integration. For example, Church B has had success rapidly growing their membership. In this photo, church members juxtapose the connection they feel when in person to technology integrated into their worship hall. They lamented that streaming options come at a cost to fellowship. Future work should explore how hybrid technology solutions can support a sense of connectedness in growing communities. Now, Church A is focused on engaging younger members to grow their church. Church members posited that technology may be an answer. However, Church A is housed in a historic building. We see how church legacies, like preserving a historic building, sits in direct tension with technology integration. Thus, there's a need for design methods that could help church communities move toward a consensus on the role of technology in their church. In conclusion, both churches are known to the public as Black churches. However, an assumption of across-the-board similarity would be misinformed. We encourage researchers working with communities, especially communities that are already racially labeled, to reject the urge to characterize communities without their input. Our findings speak to the intricacies of community identity, namely how members balance current missions and future goals, and the impacts for designing socio-technical systems embedded within community organizations. Thanks for attending my talk.